What are durable good orders and why they're important to the economy and your money? To become a better investor, you got to understand the economy and what's going on and what these different things mean. You hear about it all the time on your favorite media outlets like CNN and Bloomberg and Yahoo Finance and all those things like that. But what do they really mean? Instead of getting it secondhand, I'm going to teach you how to get it from the source and what exactly does it mean. Stay tuned. What's going on, boys and girls and children of all ages? This is your host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live from all the way from the beautiful state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you hate the video, you give it a thumbs up anyway. But if you got questions, you drop some comments below. And also, don't forget to hit that bell icon to get new video, podcasts, cartoons, or whatever else it is as they drop. But as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So as you can see, this video is going to be about durable good orders. What are durable good orders? I have Investopedia pulled up to kind of give you an idea what durable good orders are, but the simplistic version of it is these are big ticket items that companies buy. For prime example, take myself for example, if you start a podcast or if you start a YouTube channel, whatever the case may be, before you go out and buy a brand new big fancy microphone and camera and backdrop and lights, all the other fancy stuff, you're probably only going to do that if you predict yourself to do better in the future, right? So for a company that's doing well, let's say if you're a bakery and you have an oven, you're not going to buy a brand new oven just because, it's new. No, you're going to buy a brand new oven if business is doing good. That's considered a durable good. If like big machinery, big computers, things like that. So this is why investors pay attention to durable good order reports. We want to know what's going on with durable good orders because if companies are making big ticket items like buying planes and computers and heavy equipment, that means that they're predicting themselves to do good in the future. So every month, the Census Bureau puts out a durable good order report. This also shapes the way what happens to the stock market. The next one comes out in September 27th. The last one came out August 26th, which we're going to take a look at. So here, this came out 8:30 a.m. on Monday, August 26th, the actual report that you hear everybody else on CNN, CNBC report on. This is going to tell you in July, 250 billion increase of 2% of durable good new orders, right? We see what happened in June as well. The next report come out on September 27th. If you scroll down, it'll tell you everything you want to know about the new orders, the shipment, and even break down the industries of like, hey, computers and electronics, machinery, manufacturing, airplanes, all that good stuff, capital goods, non-defense, defense goods. These are very important, transportation of goods. These are very important because if companies are buying big ticket items like big durable good items, that means that if overall companies are doing that from domestic companies, that means that they have a good prediction on their company doing well in the future. So when an investor sees this and they're looking at the economy, they're looking at, okay, the economy seems to be doing pretty well if companies are still buying big durable goods. Now the downside to this, if we see a slowdown, stagnant, or a decrease, this could be an indication of companies not expecting themselves to do well. Think about it yourself. You're not going to be, let's say if you are a record company, you're not going to buy a whole new studio, a whole new state-of-the-art studio if you don't think your company is doing well. You're going to work that old studio out just a little bit more. But if you're signing new artists and the company's doing well, things like that, you may go buy a whole new studio you may make that big ticket item just to be able to increase your profits in the future, right? So this is a leading economical indicator. That's why it's so important. When it comes out, you get to it by census.gov is how you get to these actual report. And the next one comes out September 27th. So be on the lookout for it. And this is why they're important. Okay, until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else you see me do, crazy around the globe. Peace, be safe. I'm out, and thank you.